Before dive into it, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative and mind-blowing contents. The Bermuda Triangle, a vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has captivated imaginations for decades. Stories of mysterious disappearances and strange occurrences have earned it the reputation as a dangerous zone where planes vanish, ships disappear, and no solid explanations seem to exist. But let me take you to one of the most famous incidents that set this legend ablaze: Flight 19. It was December 5, 1945, when a routine training mission involving 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The weather was calm, and the planes, led by experienced pilots, were tasked with a 3-hour exercise over the Atlantic. They had done similar drills before, but something went terribly wrong. Shortly after completing the first leg of their journey, the squadron's lead pilot, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported that his compass had malfunctioned. What followed was a series of confusing radio communications with Base Command. Taylor, unsure of his position, believed they were lost over the Florida Keys, hundreds of miles off course. The situation grew increasingly dire as daylight faded. The ground crew tried to guide them home, but the planes continued to fly further into the Atlantic. One by one, their radios went silent. Soon, Flight 19 was gone, vanished without a trace. Despite a massive search operation, neither the planes nor the bodies of the 14 men aboard were ever recovered. Even more baffling, one of the rescue planes sent out that evening also disappeared. The story of Flight 19 became one of the most famous Bermuda Triangle disappearances. But what could cause such an incident? Many theories have been proposed over the years, from natural explanations to the downright fantastical. One of the most reasonable explanations involves human error. The vast, featureless ocean can be disorienting, and with their compasses malfunctioning, the pilots may have been flying in circles. The Bermuda Triangle lies in an area where magnetic north and true north sometimes align, confusing navigation systems. Without proper landmarks, it's easy for even experienced pilots to become disoriented. In Taylor's case, he mistakenly believed they were overland, when in fact they were flying deeper into the ocean. The waters in the Bermuda Triangle are notorious for unpredictable weather and sudden changes in sea conditions. Rogue waves, huge unexpected swells that can reach heights of over 100 feet, are a natural phenomenon. They've been known to sink large ships in minutes. It's possible that Flight 19 and the rescue plane encountered turbulent weather and large waves that contributed to their disappearances. Some scientists believe that the ocean floor in the Bermuda Triangle contains large deposits of methane hydrates. Occasionally, these deposits can suddenly release gas bubbles, causing the water above to become less dense. If a ship or even a low-flying plane happened to be in the area during one of these gas releases, it could lose buoyancy or lift, leading to a quick sinking or crash. The Bermuda Triangle has long been associated with strange magnetic anomalies, which are believed to interfere with navigation instruments. This could explain why compasses in the region sometimes malfunction, as reported by Flight 19's pilots. In some areas of the triangle, the magnetic field is distorted in such a way that compasses point to true north rather than magnetic north, leading to confusion. Another factor is the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows through the Bermuda Triangle. If a ship or plane were to crash in the area, the strong current could quickly sweep away debris, making it difficult to find any evidence of a wreck. While the Bermuda Triangle has captured the world's imagination with tales of paranormal activity, aliens, or even time warps, the truth is likely far more grounded in science. The combination of treacherous weather, strong currents, and navigational challenges has probably contributed to many of the Triangle's disappearances. Flight 19 and the countless other planes and ships that have gone missing in the area were likely victims of a perfect storm of natural elements and human error. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle is not a portal to another world or a place of supernatural forces. It's a patch of ocean where the normal dangers of the sea, magnified by unusual magnetic fields, powerful currents, and unpredictable weather, sometimes lead to tragic accidents. The mystery endures, not because the truth is unknowable, but because it reminds us of how vast and untamed the natural world still is. But for those who look out over the waters of the Bermuda Triangle, it's a place where the unknown lingers, and even the bravest of explorers still feel a sense of wonder and a hint of fear.